This risk started off as any normal flight risk, although things started to take a sinister turn during the evening hours. We got a random tornado warning for Berks County that somehow expired in 10 minutes, and then a severe thunderstorm warning, well, that kind of underperformed again in 10 minutes. Well, the rest of the night took a decent turn. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the compilation.
Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.
Whoa! DLR! 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 Okay? Okay? Okay, TLR? What? What? What?
Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those coming.
What?
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
Dude!
Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Wyomissing Hills, West Lawn, West Reading, Lorraine, Kinghorst, Mount Penn, Birdsboro, Laurelville, Regan, Reading, Whitfield, Wyomissing, St. Lawrence, West Wyomissing, Morton, Shillington, Flying Hills, Spring Ridge, and Sinking Spring. This includes Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 6 and 11. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following county, Berks, Pennsylvania. The current time
Okay?
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Montgomery County, and southeastern Pennsylvania until 7:30 p.m. At 6:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Birdsboro, or 7 miles east of Reading, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Boyertown, Lorraine, Birdsboro, Red Hill, Cherryville, Abbey Gardens, Valley, East Greenville, Green Lane, Pittsburgh, St. Lawrence, Gilbertsville, Beckelsville, Halfway House, and Telford.
Halfway House.
This includes northeast extension between mile markers 36 and 39. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms.
There was a tornado watch?
Although a tornado is not indicated likely. Structures such as a basement or small interior rooms.
Is it gonna be a doubleheader with a TOA?
On the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Berks, and Montgomery. A severe thunderstorm. Southeastern Pennsylvania, central Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 8:15 p.m. At 7:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Homeville, or 15 miles southeast of Willow Street, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Palmville, Glenroy, Westchester, Modena, Cottonville, Cheney, Thorndale, West Grove, Malvern, West Goshen, Westdown, Mount Vernon, Marshalltown, Devon Bruin, Oxford, Leonville Markwood, Downingtown, Atwood, Exton, and Great Igo. This includes Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 308 and 325. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Delaware.
Oh.
The current time is... Chesapeake Basin North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Basin Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Choptank River, Eastern Bay, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:01 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from your Washington, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, motors and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Choptank River, Chester River, Eastern Bay, Blackownet Point, Greenberry Point, Highland Beach, Sandy Point State Park, Severn River, Bloody Point Light, Thomas Point Light, Poplar Island, Parsons Island, Pinehurst, Gibson Island, Low Point, Baltimore Light, Romancook, Mattapique, Chesapeake Bay Bridge, and Pier Narrows Bridge. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Shut up! Shut up!
In southern New Jersey. Mercer County in central New Jersey.
Shut up.
Wilmington County in southern New Jersey.
Oh.
Central Monmouth County in central New Jersey.
It's for SPC Burlington.
Northern New Jersey. Southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania. Southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania. Philadelphia County
This
in
is
southeastern
huge.
Pennsylvania. Northeastern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 9:30 p.m.
It's huge.
At 8:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Abilene to Germantown, moving east at 45 miles per hour. In gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees.
KHB 38 went.
Include Cornwall, Pine Pennington, West Numming, Holmville, Merchantville, Florence, Abington, Lumberton, Strathmore, Pennington, Jamesburg, Edgewater Park, Morrisville, Georgetown, Helmetta, Rickboro, Clarksburg, Princeton, Jenkintown, Woodbrewer, and Langhorne. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 5 and 9. Pennsylvania Turnpike between
I think Matthew's under this.
340 and 359. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 21 and 40. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 338 and 345. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 20. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 40 and 76. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1. Interstate 676 in New Jersey near mile marker 4. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 119 and 121. For your protection, move to an interior room on the... The current time is 8:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
SMW.
Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia. Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to
That's
North
on voice
Beach,
now.
Maryland.
Same with...
River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River. Atchison River to Boones Island, Maryland. Faneuil Sound and the inland waters surrounding Bloodsworth Island, until 10:15 p.m. At 8:50 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 nautical miles east of Hope Street to near Breton Bay to near Namini Bay, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 48 knots. Source, buoy and land observations. Impact, boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher wind and waves capsizing their vessel. Boats could suffer significant damage in high winds. Locations impacted include Greenwell State Park, Cowpeg River, Cooper Island Light, St. Leonard Creek, Couple Creek, North Beach, Drum Point, James Island, The Targets, Richland Point Buoy, Blackownet Point, Tilton Island, Chesapeake Beach, and Taylor's Island. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Here is the official...
God, I'm under this! This is for me! This is for me!
North Central Sussex County in southern Delaware, southwestern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, Kent County in central Delaware, Queen Anne's County in northeastern Maryland, northeastern Caroline County in eastern Maryland, northeastern Kent County in northeastern Maryland, western Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, Salem County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Gloucester County in southern
Oh, this is giant.
Until 9:45
Yep,
p.m.
I'm in this.
At 8:56 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Hollywood Beach to near Centerville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard.
Let's see if my town is set. Let's see if Deerfield's in this.
Any-size hail.
Like, I'm in this, but I'm just gonna see if it says my town location back here.
Impact,
Oh,
damage,
KHB went.
flooding, trees, and power lines responsible. Wyoming, Star, Oakland, Odessa, Bowers, Hazlettsville, Newport Meadows, Highland Acres, Mordnick, Delaney Corner, Crumpton, Dover Speedway, Sandtown, Viola, Cheswell, Camden, and Kenton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
I'm in this.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent, Newcastle, and Sussex, and the following counties in New Jersey, Cumberland, Gloucester, and Salem, and the following counties in Maryland, Caroline, Kent, and Queen Anne's.
Doubleheader, okay. Oh, it's gonna be for Delaware coastal waters.
For Delaware Bay until 2
Yep.
p.m. At 8:57 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Northeast River to near Chester River, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include PHI Island, Bowers Beach, Woodland Beach, Shoreline, Cross Ledge Light, Reedy Point, and Slaughter Beach. Here is the
It's Cecil.
Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cecil County in northeastern Maryland until 9:30 p.m. At 8:59 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Brentwood to near Saskilton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per
Holy
hour.
1050.
Source, automated surface weather observations. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Warwick, Saskilton, Brentwood, Chesapeake City, Bohemia's Mills, and Gats. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties: Cecil, Maryland. For the following counties: Here is the official National Weather Service.
WXJ and WXK. There it is. There we go.
Severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Maryland, Dorchester County in southeastern Maryland until 10 p.m. At 9:11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from St. Leonard to Lux Beach near St. Mary's City, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include With the Queen, Madison, Brookview, El Dorado, Secretary, Cambridge, Church Creek, Lloyds, University of Maryland Center for Environmental Studies, Sharptown, Hebron, Elliott, Vienna, Linkwood, Galestown, Andrews, Royal Oak, Hudson, Wingate, and Ehrlich. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland, Dorchester, and Wicomico.
That went off second header. SVR.
Southwestern County in southern Delaware, southwestern County in central Delaware, Talbot County in eastern Maryland, southeastern Queen Anne's County in northeastern Maryland, Caroline County in eastern Maryland until 10 p.m. At 9:13 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Chesapeake Beach to near St. Leonard Creek to near St. Mary's City, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Greensboro, Preston, Ridgely, St. Michaels, Smithville, Star, Talbot, Trapp, Denton, Oakland, Copperville, Jumptown, Fredericksburg, Agner, Charlottesburg, Bethany, Goldsboro, Sandtown, and Queen Anne. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent, and Sussex, and the following counties in Maryland, Carolina, Queen Anne, and Talbot. A severe thunderstorm warning.
It's a tour. Yep. Knew it. I heard the IAM bot ping with the EAS header. It's a tour.
Northeastern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, southeastern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey until 10 p.m. At 9:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Clearbrook Park, or 12 miles south of New Brunswick, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Brownhill, Strathmore, East Freehold, Jamesburg, Robertsville, Shrewsbury, Red Bank, Middletown, Lawrence Harbor, Clearbrook Park, Concordia, Kingsburg, Yorktown, Marlborough, Capeport, Woodingham, Eatontown, Holdall, North Middletown, and Methuen. This includes Garden State Parkway between mile markers 106 and 122. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Middlesex, and Monmouth.
Okay, I'm shutting off all my KIH 1050s for now. Oh! Tor, I think. Yeah, it's a Tor.
The National Weather Service warning in southeastern Maryland until 10:15 p.m. At 9:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Cambridge, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Secretary and Ehrlich around 9:45 p.m.
Oh boy. That's from lightning.
Thunderstorm include Brookview, East New Market, El Dorado, Church Creek, and Linkwood. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report severe weather by
Calling 757-899-2415. Posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page or using Twitter at Wakefield. A severe warning has been issued until
10:15 p.m. for the following county: Dorchester, Maryland. Here, the service forecast for Chesapeake Bay.
flash flood warning.
Southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 1:45 a.m. At 9:44 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain south west into minor cloud stage. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring.
I don't know if they go for FFW.
Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
Oh.
Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. For Frankfort Creek and Frankfort, at 9:36 p.m. the stage was 7.01 feet and rising. Flood stage is 7 feet. This includes the following highways: Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 334 and 341. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 22 and 40.
Hold on.
Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 338 and 358. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. The severe thunderstorm warning for south central Newcastle, northeastern Kent, western Cumberland, Salem, and southeastern Gloucester.
Rain.
New Jersey to Fenwick Island downward out 20 nautical miles. Outer waters from Manna, Swan Inlet to Little Lake Inlet, New Jersey out 20 to 40 nautical miles until 11:45 p.m. At 9:46 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Seabreeze to 8 nautical miles east of Niles River to near Toggle River, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard: wind gusts to nearly 60 knots. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations in Texas include Atlantic City, 5 fathoms buoy, buoy 2
Oh, I can see my ER-15.
Ledge Light, and Little Egg Lake.
Oh my god. SVR.
County in central Delaware, eastern Hannibal County in eastern Maryland, Caroline County in eastern Maryland, until 10:30 p.m.
Holy shit.
At 9:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Cordova to near Deal Island, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Jagsboro, Preston, Blades, Smithville, Gumboro, Harrington, Long Neck, Benton, South Bethany, Elendale, Cape Henlopen State Park, Federalsburg, Dewey Beach, Agner, Choptank, Ocean View, Bridgeville, Delmer, Bethel, and Rodeo. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Today, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. for the following counties: Delaware, Kent and Sussex, and Harlan counties, Maryland, Caroline and South. The severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Kent County is canceled. The storm is thought to have moved out of the warning area. Tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Federalsburg, Dewey Beach, Lewis, Bridgeville, Blades, Bethel, Elendale, Milton, Georgetown, Henlopen Acres, Seaford, and Greenwood. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. for the following counties: Sussex, Delaware, and Caroline, Maryland. For the following 60 miles per hour gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Ow, I fell.
And power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Jagsboro, Gumboro, Laurel, Long Neck, South Bethany, Elene.